Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Yes, continue to last question.
Yes, sir. Sir, as I was talking about the research that is ongoing in the electrochemistry. Yes, sir. Sir, as I was talking that there are different cathodic and anodic material used in a lithium-ion battery or a sodium battery. So the we have the areas. And sir, in cathode we have lithium cobalt oxide mainly in most of the lithium-ion batteries. So, sir, I would like to do research and try to develop new materials that can provide us more energy density or more energy for a particular cell or for a particular lithium-ion battery. And so, moving on to the coordination chemistry. So, in coordination chemistry, my major aim would be in the direction of the nuclear medicine development. Sir, for example, we use carboplatin and we use a cisplatin as a chemotherapy medicine, chemotherapy element for the treatment of the cancer. So these therapies are so expensive because we use a expensive metal that is involved in the therapy, that is a platinum. So, sir, I would like to have my research in this particular direction only, and where, sir, I would like to develop new materials or and a new complexes which can be helpful in the cancer treatment and which can be helpful in treatment or chemotherapy and while it to the level also. And sir, one of the major thing that I have seen during my visit to the Tata hospital that the majority of the people were lie below the middle class, and so they don't have that much money store, or they don't have that much financial backup to undergo these treatment and to that gets throughout the treatment. So, sir, I would like to have my research in the nuclear medicine development only, and to have more cheaper alternatives, or to have more in terms of cheaper, I'm not talking about the efficiency. I'm talking about the cost of these treatment. Sir, I would like to work in the transition metal or combination complexes, which can be more and less cost in a alternative treatment that we are using.
Yes, good. Yeah, next move on pericyclic. Yes, suppose if you get selected in VRC, so how will you contribute to your knowledge, pericyclic knowledge in your department?
Yeah.
Any new innovative idea from your side?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose your department is nuclear energy, atomic energy. How will you contribute your knowledge?
So, yes, sir. So, if my department is a nuclear energy, that means that we are working with the nuclear reactor and with the nuclear reaction, which produces a tremendous amount of. Sir, in that case, I can, sir, I can benefit this. these energy production in a several way, and I can try to develop a way in which we can directly use this energy to carry out the reactions. So as we know that the pericyclic reaction requires a higher temperature or a higher energy to proceed. Sir, sir, we also know that if we go for the synthesis of any molecule, we have a organic pathway involving, even if we are going for a particular medicine development, or we are going for the nuclear medicine development also. So there are several organic molecular synthesis which is involved in the whole process. So I would find a way to use this nuclear energy to carry out reaction, or to be considered as a source of energy for the reaction to happen. And sir, as I say that the pericyclic reaction, sir, I would find a way in which I can use the conventional organic synthesis that was already happening in the particular area, and try to develop a new way, or try to approach in a way in which I can add this pericyclic reaction as a one of the major step that leads to the product formation. Sir, this is because so as you know that there is not much reagent needed in a pericyclic reaction, and we can work with the we can work with the some limited amount of samples, and without any byproduct wastage that is produced in a organic synthesis.
Yes, good.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, audible. Yes, audible. Next one is spectrophysical
Yes, sir.
spectrum. Yes, suppose if you get selected in this post, so how will you contribute
Yes,
your physical spectro knowledge in your department?
yes, sir.
Any new innovative points?
So, as per yes, sir. So, as per my knowledge, so I feel that my knowledge of the physical spectroscopy would be most useful in the characterizing the new complexes, or a new medicinal complexes, or the new materials that is developing in a BARC laboratory. Sir, as we know that the BARC laboratory carries research in various fields. That is in a material science also. It carries in electrochemistry. It carries in the nuclear medicine. It also carries in a way a coordination chemistry. So, sir, if we go in any direction of the research that is going on BARC, we know that these all research involves some of the chemicals, some of the in our further implementing it to the nuclear research and nuclear technology. So, major thing effectively be done by the by the help of the spectroscopy. And apart from that, sir, I would like to study about the transition that is happening in a reaction molecule, or in a particular material that we are developing, to get the more understanding about the molecule.
Yes, good. Next, move on BRC. Yes, what the basic history of BRC? Bhabha Atomic Research Center.
here known as Atomic Energy Stabilization of India. And sir, it was stabilized by the Dr. Homi J. Bhabha. And sir, BRC holds a wide history in terms of a nuclear and nuclear technologies. Such examples can be seen in terms of the uh, uh, development of the nuclear bomb, and sir, also in terms of the energy, nuclear energy development, that is one of the major source for the electricity that is carried out in India. And apart from that, BARC holds a it also holds a various researches in the field of the cancer treatment, or in terms of the nuclear medicine, which are very useful in dealing with the various type of diseases that involves radiation for the treatment of the
Yes. Yes, good. Next is why will you become a scientific officer in BRC? Why you want to join? Describe briefly. Yes, I'm audible. Yes, I'm audible. Yes, I'm audible to you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now audible. Okay, next move on. The BRC question is, uh, why will you become a scientific officer in BRC? Why you want to join BRC as a scientific officer? Describe it briefly. Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, now you are audible. Your voice was not coming.
Yes, once again, repeating.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
why will you become a scientific officer in BRC? Why you want to join BRC as a scientific officer? Describe it briefly.
Yes, yes. Uh, so, I that as I was always good in chemistry, and I was always interested in the in studying chemistry, and as my major is chemistry, I want which as per my interest. And so BARC provides me a wide platform to implement my knowledge of chemistry in the development of the nuclear research and the nuclear technology that can be directly be influenced to the development of nation. And so apart from that, sir, uh, in 2000 father, so it's a data hospital. There it kind of motivated me to see the research that is going to see how it is actually implemented in that particular hospital. How there is one particular block which is the prestige sign Baba BA and sir, UPS therapy and numerous which directly directly the hospital use
Yes, I'm audible. Yes, I'm audible to you.
yes, sir.
Yes, continue to last
So
question.
there was some network issues. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As I was saying that in 2023, I visited the Tata Hospital. So there I came across to the various research or various therapies which were directly developed by the BARC, and they are impacting the life of the people or life of the cancer patients. So, sir, so the second is a very personal, sir. As I have seen my father go through all these treatment, so it kind of motivated me to do a research that is directly benefiting the people that is directly benefiting the people in a need, and it that can help beating the uh, beating the this cancer or the other diseases which are impacting the life of the people of India.
Yes, good. And what the role of scientific officer in BRC? And what are the major responsibilities of scientific officer in BRC?
So the major responsibility of the scientific officer, chemistry is the carrying out the research and development in a chemistry field, which involves various research groups. That is, it can be in a material science, it can be in electrochemistry, it can be in a bioinorganic chemistry, or it can also be in a development of new complexes or a coordination metal chemistry. So the major role of the scientific officer is to carry out these researches and to have a better research or a better outcome for the conventional research that is present already, and to implement more to the implement more of our inputs to develop a nuclear science and nuclear technologies of a country.
Yes, good. Yes, suppose if you get selected in this post, so how
Yes,
would
sir.
you? Yes. Next question is, suppose if you get selected in this post, so what do you do in your department, in your country?
Yes, sir. So, sir, if I get selected, so the departments I would like to work is the nuclear medicine department or a radiology department
Yes.
or the radiology and environmental waste control department. So as what I feel that these particular departments align with my interest of implementing a research which is helpful to the people of the country and to the environment also. Sir, as I'm very much attracted to the environmental related things. So I would like to have a research in a radiology and environmental department also, where we could develop a research that directly helpful in the in managing the nuclear waste, and also implementing a better way to decompose these nuclear waste that is very harmful to the human and to the animals. And another was nuclear medicine department. So nuclear medicine department would be my first preference. So as I have said earlier that the reason for joining BARC is this only, that I want to do research in the development of the nuclear medicine, uh, implementing my knowledge to develop new nuclear medicine that could be more affordable to the people of country, and to that could be more helpful in beating a cancer like diseases.
Yes, good. Yes, overall is good answer from your side. No problem.
Yes,
You
sir.
positive and confidence. Yes, for your final
Sure, sir.
interview. Okay, now. Okay, all
Okay.
the best. Your interview date is 28 now.
Yes, sir. It is on 28.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. All the best for your interview.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.